welcome to Nick and Chris Works, where we attempt to build things, make things, repair things with the little knowledge we have in our little garage with minimal tools and minimal cost. Today's video is going to be an overhead garage loft. And what are you doing?
Overhead.
Overhead garage storage loft. Yeah, up there. Alright, the goal here is to utilize the space above the garage door with a shelf. Home Depot run. Can't see where I'm going, but we got the lumber. Trying to figure out where to start. And I'm guessing let's put a brace across one of those beams there and somehow level across to that side, staying above the track. I'll see how this goes. Base is going to sit 20 inches down from the ceiling. On that beam there. I'm going to mark that wall over there. Miss it. All right.
Whoa!
What happened?
Get out of me.
Yep, it holds. Yeah, it's coming along slowly. Yes? Yes.
I got a new spoiler in the truck.
Oh. I got the end board cut. Had to cut a little notch out of it. That was fun to put in there. That looks a little more finished. So I'm thinking this is the finished product, and I'm considering testing it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna test it. Yeah, it holds me. Huh. Total cost of this garage loft bill came to 42 and 41, so about 83 bucks. Not bad. This is the almost finished product. A few more cosmetic touch-ups. Now they're all done. So we're good again.